Hi, I'm Stu from the Durable Customer Success team. I'm really excited to announce that we have now launched the ability for website translations on Durable. This will allow you to have your website read in the same languages as your customers. Today, I'll quickly give you a run through on how to get this set up on your Durable website. So to get started, from your Durable dashboard, head over to the website option on the left-hand side. From within the website editor, on the right-hand side, click on the settings icon. This will open the settings section for your website. You can then locate the languages option on the left-hand side. From within here, you are able to add up to 5 additional languages to your website. To get started, simply click the Add a Language option. This will then show all the languages available for you to select and apply to your website. For example, I'm going to click Spanish. Doing so, you'll then see the translating process start. You can leave this running in the background, but whilst this is doing this, you can also add additional languages. I'll go through and add a couple just so we can see this in action. Then you can simply wait until this process has completed. When you see the message ready to publish, you know the translation has completed. From here, you can continue adding additional languages, or if you're ready, you can simply exit the settings option, then head over to publish, then publish your changes, making those translations available on your website. This translation will completely translate every page and every phrase automatically. We can preview this on my example website here. You'll now see in the top right, we have a language selection option. If I just give you an example by switching to French, you'll see here the text has automatically translated. I select a different language to see this change as well. You'll see here this is translated also. If you notice any translations which you wish to manually make, you can head back to the settings, click on languages, then click on the language which you wish to perform a manual translation for. Look for the phrase or search for the phrase if you prefer. Then click on the option, and here you can manually update the translation to your preference. If you do make the change, you can then save this, or if you prefer to set it back to automatically translate, just simply click the translate button again. If you make any changes on your website after the translations have been set, we will automatically retranslate for you, applying that to your live website. If you have any issues or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out, and we're really excited to see what websites you build using the translation.